Are you using IGTV? Yeah, you. Instagram has been investing so much time into it and views have increased up to 300%. It's so crazy. So if you're ready to start taking it a little bit more seriously and want to start digging in and start shooting videos, I'm going to show you how to actually schedule them so that you don't have to record and post all at once. For more business and social media advice, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video every Monday. Y'all, IGTV is here to stay and it's coming at us at full force and we need to be ready, okay? Because Instagram is coming out with all these enhanced features to make it a lot more easier and kind of more of a no-brainer to start using IGTV. I actually found this really cool way to schedule IGTVs and I want to share it with y'all. So buckle up because by the end of this video, I'm going to share with you my free IGTV planning worksheet and I'll give you a walkthrough of how to easily schedule all your IGTV videos in one sitting. So the way that you schedule out all your IGTVs is through this feature that Facebook has called the Facebook Creator Studio. The Facebook Creator Studio is just a little back-end area where you can manage all of the creative aspects of your Facebook business page and your Instagram business page. Now, I said business page. So in order to have this all happen, you must have an Instagram for Business account. In order to access your Facebook Creator Studio, just go to business.facebook.com/Creator Studio. And when you sign up there, I want you to go ahead and connect your Instagram business account to it. Now you're set up to start scheduling your IGTV posts. Let me take you into my computer and I will show you the rest. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my computer again. So I am going to walk you through scheduling your Instagram TV videos. So this is a fun way to do it. It's not sketchy at all. So the first thing that I want you to do, like I said previously, was to go to business.facebook.com/Creator Studio. And it's going to take you to a place that looks just like this. Okay. You have to have an Instagram for Business account in order to make this work. So make sure that you have done that as well. And so if you're just logging on and you haven't seen this thing before, this is just like a little dashboard for small businesses or creators to manage their content, look at their insights, manage their inbox, see if they can get monetized or not. And also there's a nice little like sound collection here, as well as some stuff about like the rights manager for like copyrights. And so, but what we're going to talk about today is more about the Instagram component of the Creator Studio. So if you're just logging on, you'll see this thing right here saying connect to Instagram. So you're going to want to go ahead and try that now. Press that, do whatever you need to do for that. Yep, see it says Instagram and IGTV publishing now available. Try it now, right? So if you press this little button here, it's going to walk you through connecting your accounts. I'm already connected, so it's just going to toggle me to the Instagram section, just like that. And so now since we're in the Instagram section, I just want you to see that this is now like your content library right here. This has all of your Instagram stories, all of your IGTVs. There you go, right here, right? So what we're going to do, and then you can also toggle them right over here between stories, IGTV, anything else that you're looking for. So let's go ahead and start scheduling. So the first thing that I want you to do is to go to Create Post in the top left field right there. And we're going to go and select the Instagram account that we want to connect this video to. All right, and then you're going to go ahead and upload the file that you want to upload. And I already have it right here. And so here's the video that I want to upload. Keep in mind that in order to upload to IGTV, it has to be a MP4 video, or there are some other ones as well, but most of the time your iPhone will convert your video into an MOV at the end right here, and that's not going to be compatible with the IGTV upload requirement. So make sure that you just change that to an MP4 right there. And so now that I have that here, I'm gonna go ahead and upload that. bam, look at me. Now I'm going to create, and now this is going to be where you are going to create an engaging and keyword rich title. So if you're, so for example, you can do Instagram for business, why you should switch. Oops, I spelled everything so wrong. Right? And then you have a description section where this should be something somewhere where you are telling the user about it. You're educating them on like why they should really just like stop and watch your video, and you can include any links and hashtags that you wish, right? And so you put that in here, and then after that is filled out, you're going to now select your cover image. So you can totally use any one of these. I am obsessed with this one. Yes, I love it. Look at my face. The lighting is hitting me right now. So anyway, you can look at that one, or you can upload a custom image that you can design yourself, maybe in Canva, anything like that. One of the benefits of doing your own cover image, like designing it yourself, is that this is also the image that shows on your news feed when you share the preview to your feed. So so if you are concerned about like your aesthetics, and this is going to be where you are able to put your design forward, like you can definitely kind of just like make it look however way you want. Now you are able, this is going to be a very important part right here, where you need to share the preview to your feed. Now, this video right here is only 15 seconds long because this is just like a test video. Okay, but make sure that your video is at least a minute long, and you can share it to your preview feed. I recommend this 100%. Please do this. Please make at least a minute video, and then you have an option to also share it to your Facebook business page as well. Okay, and then after that is all done, you can either choose to publish it now, or you can schedule it, which is what I love. And so I can schedule this all the way out to 6 months, right? So I can do, let's say I want this to be November 29th, the day before my birthday at 3 p.m. And now I'm going to go ahead and schedule it. And now it is scheduled. And as you can see, it shows up in your content library, and it says that this video is going to be, that this video is scheduled, and it's for November 29th, 2019 at 3:56 p.m. Right? Perfect. It's very, very easy to do. All right, so we're going to go back to my set, and I hope you found this so beneficial. I hope that you're going to be using IGTV scheduling now often. Now that you have the secret weapon to start being consistent with your IGTV videos, I want you to go ahead and download my free IGTV planning worksheet that will help you plan out all your videos. The link is in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it and subscribing to my channel and tagging me on Instagram with this screenshot. Oh, don't forget to put in the comments box down below what your IGTV video is going to be all about. I want to know. Send me the link. I want to watch it. Okay, so that's all that I have for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Is that true? I'm intrigued. Park the car in the harbor. I can't do that. Pump it up. Pump it up. What did I put? Excuse me? Park the car in the harbor yard. Really? Really? Pump up the jam. Pump it up. Something. Okay.